So you can see Captain America. They say this head sculpt is the most accurate and one of the best head sculpt as of to date. I love the battle damage weathering effects and the print all over. Hook this adapter piece at the back of the figure. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this 1/6 scale Hot Toys MMS 536 Captain America from the Marvel Avengers Endgame movie. Let's remove the protective plastic first, then let's take a closer look at the art box. Famous for his superhuman strength and indestructible shield, Steve Rogers finds himself called into action to complete a mission with the universe's entire existence on the line. So here is the art box. You can see Captain America's art box is the same with the Hot Toys standard packaging of their Endgame figure, except that the color combinations are red, white, and blue, which represents US flag. In front of the box, you can see image of Captain America, an Avengers A logo here, Marvel logo, Avengers Endgame, Captain America's name, MMS 536, 1/6 scale collectible figure, then movie masterpiece and Hot Toys logos. On the side, you can see Captain America's logo over here in gold accent, name of Captain America, Avengers A logo in gold accent as well. Then at the back, you can see Captain America, warning information, company information, then holographic sticker as a sign of authenticity, and of course, barcode. Now, let's slide up the cover and it will reveal the transparent window style that shows the figure and all the accessories inside the box. I can't wait anymore, and so let's now break the seal. So this is the shield. Then here's the manual. Oh, so you can see Captain America. So that's it for the packaging. I'm going to line up all the accessories now, and after that we're going to take a closer look at the actual figure. And here are all the accessories that are included. Let's start off with the display base stand. Same standard hexagon shaped base stand with Captain America and Avengers A logo in the middle. Base stand is a combination of pink color on the left side and blue color with glossy look on the right. Printed here is the Marvel logo, then Avengers Endgame, and printed over here is Captain America's nameplate. It comes with clip that you can use for dynamic poses. We're done with the display base stand, so let's go to the hands. It comes with 7 interchangeable glove hands. It comes with 1 pair of closed fists, which is already installed to the figure. Then this 1 pair of shield holding hands. Then 1 shield catching left hand. One shield throwing right hand. And 1 finger pointing hand. You can see each hands are nicely painted, and I really like the details of the gloves. The color combination in the fingers are highly detailed. I like the brown, black, and the skin tone of these glove hands. You see the fingernails? It looks realistic. So that's it for the hands. For the head sculpt, it comes with a Steve Rogers head sculpt with authentic likeness of Chris Evans or Captain America in the movie. Taking a closer look, they say this head sculpt is the most accurate and one of the best head sculpt as of to date in terms of skin texture. Wrinkles from the face going down to the neck. Reflectiveness of the eyes, lips, and especially the blonde brush up hairstyle of Steve Rogers. It really looks realistic as if it's in front of me. And I really like how they sculpted it. Then the pre-installed helmet and head sculpt, which is already attached to the figure. It comes with 3 interchangeable lower part of face plates. So the face plates that is already attached to the figure has a normal expression. Then these 2 face plate. This one is the angry expression. And this one, I think this expression is when he's tightening the shield strap or preparing for battle. You can easily detach and attach this faceplate magnetically without worrying on the damaging the paint. So I'll show you how to attach this later. And this empty helmet that comes with the figure. You can see the details. Avengers A logo here. The faded blue, paint color, and battle damage look of the mask are truly remarkable. Details are the same on this empty helmet that you can hold when you pose it in a mass Steve Rogers mode. Now let's go to the weapons. First is Captain America's shield. It comes with 3 different versions of vibranium shield. One circular red and blue Captain America shield with silver star emblem and weathering effect. This is made of plastic but looks really nice because of the metallic design that gives the shield a die-cast look. I love the battle damage weathering effects and the print all over. At the back, you can see the straps, so you can easily attach it when you pose it with Captain America. So I'm going to show it to you later. The next, this broken shield in a semicircular shape. I remember that Thanos broke the vibranium shield by continuous pounding his sword until it was broken in half. You can see it also a strap at the back, so you can also use it when you attach it with the figure. They painted it nicely, but it only has a little bit of weathering effects. Then lastly, these 2 pieces of Captain America shield remains with battle damage effect. You can connect these broken pieces to the semicircular broken shield. You can display this on top of the display base stand for a different Captain America look. It comes with this adapter piece that you can use so you can attach the shield behind Captain America's back. I will show you how it looks like when we talk about the figure later. And then lastly, this Mjolnir with pattern holder and leather strap at the end. In the movie Endgame, Captain America showed that he is indeed worthy of wielding Thor's hammer and use it against Thanos. This is for me the most iconic scene in the Avengers Endgame movie. Here on the top, you can see the inscription here, and also on this side, as you can see the sophisticated detailing of the Mjolnir. The weathering looks really amazing and painted application that gives it shiny finish look. It is made of plastic, but because of the metallic paint all over this piece, it looks like it's made of die-cast material. The handle details also look outstanding because of its pattern. Of course, the leather-like strap at the end of the Mjolnir. That's it for the weapons, and it also comes with these accessories. This one super small compass, and I like the exterior and the interior detailing of the compass. It looks like a World War II style compass that when you open it, it will reveal a picture of Peggy Carter inside. So that's it for the accessories. Let's now take a closer look at the actual figure. And here it is, Captain America himself. You can see the details. You can see that his appearance and the tailoring work on the suit design were captured perfectly from the Endgame movie, which is really amazing. Captain America's suit is in navy blue colored scale pattern with red trims all over the figure, with a silver star emblem on the chest. I really like the battle damage or dirty wash look of the figure. Here in the up section, it is in red and white trim pattern with a blood stain. I think this is blood stain over here from his battle with Thanos. It has a pair of fabric coated elbow and shoulder pads. And here in the middle, you can see the Avengers A logo on the shoulder pads in red and white color. From the chest, you can see this brown colored leather-like body strap with buckle and braces that was strapped around to the back of the figure. This is the back shield holder where you can attach the adapter piece. You can put the shield behind Captain America's back. Going down to the lower torso, you can see this brown colored leather-like belt with pouches. Then this pair of blue colored embossed pattern pants with different pockets and braces. The knee pads are also fabric coated. You can see how detailed this dark brown colored boots with brown straps. That really looks amazing. You can see how detailed this dark brown colored boots with brown straps. That looks really outstanding. Now let's go to the articulations. Head is ball jointed, so you can move it up and down. Rotate it. Tilt it side to side. You can raise the arms up to this degree. It's a bit stiff, so I'm just being careful. Move it forward and backward. Please do be careful when moving the figure to the full extent, since the costume is tailor fit to the figure. It slightly restricts the movement, and of course you want to avoid the creasing and also preserve the clothing of the figure as well. For the elbow, you can do a 90-degree bend. The wrist can move side to side and rotate. For the torso, you can crunch forward and backward and side to side. Going down to the lower torso, you can move the legs forward and then backward, then rotate side to side, then you can do splits. Then for the knee, you can double bend, and then lastly for the feet, you can tilt like this, up and down, forward and backward, and rotate it side to side. So that's it for the articulation. Let me try to change the faceplate. You can easily change it because it is magnetic. So I'm going to try the angry faceplate. Try the other one. This is the one I use when he tightens the strap. And let's put the normal expression. Let me try to put the shield at the back of the figure. We need to remove this. See there? I remove it already. So we're just going to attach this adapter piece over here. Just need to attach it like this. So now I'm going to hook this adapter piece at the back of the figure. So that's it. See? I'm going to change this helmeted head sculpt, Steve Rogers head sculpt. So now, attach the head. So that's it for the unboxing and review video. This is Hot Toys Captain America from the Avengers Endgame movie. Thank you for watching. Bye!